Tehran and Tel Aviv. Two cities, two cultures, two skylines. Tehran, set beneath the snow-capped Alborz mountains. Tel Aviv, resting on the warm shores of the Mediterranean Sea. In Tehran, the skyline stretches across a sprawling city, guarded by the Alborz Mountains and crowned by the Milad Tower, a needle rising from the heart of the capital. Clusters of high-rise apartments frame the city's growing west side, while highways curve through modern districts that echo ambition and scale. Then there is Tel Aviv, bold, bright, and coastal. Glass towers reflect the Mediterranean sun, with the Israeli center standing tall like a gateway to the sky. Skyscrapers rise fast in this startup capital, each one a symbol of modern Israel's urban momentum. The city grows upward, where concrete meets ocean breeze. Tehran builds with strength and history. Tel Aviv builds with speed and vision. Two skylines, distinct, yet each reaching for the future. Tehran and Tel Aviv, cities of light, lines, and rising stories.